and welcome to Coders World Academy. Today in our HTML course we talk about media list and navigation, the connectivity. The topic is internal versus external linking. Notice the difference. For my own page, I used a short URL starting with a slash, but for other website, I must use the full URL starting with https://. If you forget it on an external linking, it simply won't work. Internal links, relative URLs. Since the browser is already on your domain, you don't need to repeat the full address. You only provide the path to file. Why it's used? It's make the code cleaner and easier to manage if you ever change your domain name. Just like you have a main page, it's also calling a home page, like about us, services and contacts and blog. Just a little website. For example, if you have a link on your home page that leads to your contacts page, that is an internal link. The benefit, it's help Google to understand the structure of your site better and keep user on your website for a long period of time. External absolute URL. Since you are sending the user a completely different server, you must provide the full address including the protocol https://. When you visit myblog.com, is simply sent to Wikipedia where you can read my blog. Example, if you write a blog post about healthy diet and including a link to a Wikipedia article or a medical study, that an external link. The benefit, it's build trust and credibility your content and provide your audience with an additional valuable resource. Why it's used without https://? The browser will look for a folder name www.google.com inside your website, which will result in a 404 error. Now we are going in our Visual Studio Code and we create two links, internal and external linking. We already write the structure of HTML. We simply go in a body tag and we write our code. So using the greater than and less than signs and inside our a tag. You can also choose to here. Okay, now it's greater than an exclamation mark with the double hyphens. And now we're writing our internal link. Internal. Okay, now simply add this tag. Internal 1 minute. Okay, now you go to inside of the a tag and simply write our image hyperlink using double quotes and writing about inside double quote, and now get out and we will be writing about us and simply now we creating an external linking. Now the external linking same as, and just over 1 minute we forgot the exclamation mark. Now it's okay. Now we created again using the less than and a. Now in our a we're using the hyperlink again and equal and double quote sign. Inside double quote, we're writing. Okay, we're writing https colon double slashes and google.com. Now we need to get out of this, so we're writing target and equal sign, and inside of double quotes we write blank and just simply get out of this text too, and in the center now just simply we write it Google. Okay, it's done. Now so what is happening there? We create a interlink about and create a external link is https google.com. So we connect them both together. Now just we gonna run this code. So first we need to start running the word and just choose your browser and just wait it, and you can choose About Us or Google. So sometimes the net connection is weak. 1 minute, we can refresh it again. Let's go back. Now we need to wait. Just wait for a minute. The network is weak right now. I think it's not working it there. It's open. Okay, so stay for a long. The page is gonna be okay. You see this? Our creation is working there.